everybody! Today's recipe is kind of a tteokbokki, spicy rice cake called rosé tteokbokki, Italian rosé sauce based on tomato and heavy cream, but Korean version kind of rosé sauce using gochujang, Korean hot pepper paste. Somebody invented this recipe only a few years ago. So color is still kind of orangish, a little bit pinkish color, but taste is very, very nutty and very rich. First, tteokbokki. We need tteok. Tteok is rice cake. For this recipe, you guys can go to Korean grocery store, find this kind of rice cake. The rice cake for tteokbokki. We need 1 pound rice cake today, and I soaked in cold water here. Any brand is okay. First, I'm going to make a sauce. This is the milk, whole milk. I'm using whole milk, and this is also the heavy cream. Find this any grocery store, large grocery store. About 2 tablespoons gochujang. So 고춧가루, Korean hot pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon 고춧가루, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 cup whole milk, heavy cream, just half cup water, this color is really between the pink and orange. These are the ingredients I use. Bacon. I need only 100 grams. Bite-sized pieces. Mini sausage. For this amount, I will use 8. We give them slits. Two large garlic cloves, onion quarter cup. I will also mince. Green onion, I will just garnish this. Then our cutting job is all done. So all prepared. These are 2 hard-boiled eggs. Drain rice cake. I forgot to tell you, this is mozzarella cheese. When you add this, more flavorful and also thicken. Okay, are you ready to stir fry? Let's do. Cook bacon first. This is a medium heat. I love this bacon smoky smell. It's golden brown, a little crispy, and I'll turn off. Pour out all this unnecessary fat. See, nice, beautiful. Now, this is almost the 3 tablespoon amount fat. We are not going to eat this. Then let's heat up the pan again. So medium-high heat. Garlic and onion. So we didn't add any oil here. So with this, from bacon, we can cook this way. Then let's add sausage and rice cake. 1 cup water. And boil for 5 minutes over medium-high heat. Rice cake is very tender, and add sauce. Just stir this cook for 5 more minutes. Keep stirring like this. Broth will thicken. I love rosé tteokbokki with lots of broth. Time to add 1 cup mozzarella cheese. Just mix. The cheese will thicken, more thicken, but still lots of broth. Smells so good. Smells good, looks delicious, juicy. Look at this. One egg, some green onion. That's it. So let me taste. Tasting time is the best time. Sweet, savory, and rich, and spicy too. Rosé tteokbokki. Rosé tteokbokki is just the only recent food since 2021 in Korea, mega popular. Today we made rosé tteokbokki. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.